Hello there. Now, I've had cases of people, in my consultation room who told me that the first time they were diagnosed for high blood pressure, in some cases diabetes, even fibroid. Yes, I've had enough consultation in these lines. And one thing was common. Most of them will say they ignored the doctor's, what the doctor told them to do. And they just left their body. They didn't do anything. The high blood pressure ones on it, that will say they don't want to be on a routine drug forever. And because of that, they just believe that, okay, it's because I'm stressed. When I rest, and maybe they rested and then their blood pressure came down, and then they ignore the situation. Now, years later or some other time after that, this thing spikes up to a very bad condition, for example. So maybe the first time they were just pre-hypertensive. Because they ignored it, they now get into that hypertension state, as if they become hypertensive. Now, if they had done something about it at that initial time, maybe they would have been able to revert with easily, So what am I trying to say? If you are notified of a health condition, don't leave sickness in your body. If you don't know any natural health doctor to help you, take your doctor's advice. Like I say, I don't condemn orthodox medicine. As much as I say as much as we say they are poisons in little doses, but they also help in emergency situations. So even if for nothing, start it, then look for. If you don't want to continue with it, you want something natural to help you, which of course is always better. And it's not just something natural. Like what I do is we sit down together and try to get to the root of the problem and deal with the problem. So that's where the consultation comes in, the one-on-one sessions that I have. We sit down together and try to understand where this problem came from, so that if we're giving any treatment, we treat from the cause. And that's the difference between the natural health medicine and the orthodox medicine. The orthodox medicine treats symptoms, we treat the whole man. So we don't just look at your symptoms, we look at the whole man, because just one thing can be causing problem in many other places. And of course, we have diet, we have your lifestyle, we have your mental attitude. I've also seen, yes, in fact, most of the women that have come across in my consultation room that had high blood pressure, the problem came from their mental attitude. So you can't ignore that before we even start talking about supplementation. So you can't ignore that. But this video really is about, don't leave sickness in your body, even if it's malaria and typhoid. What I am against is continuous using of malaria and typhoid medicine. It's bad. You are killing your liver, and then you're destroying your stomach flora, which will also make you weak and weak and weak. So, but if you don't have any now, because even if you're treating naturally, you have to do it with an expert. Don't leave sickness in your body, or don't treat your body halfway. It will go and complicate the issue, just like the story in the Bible that Jesus talked about, where you cast out a demon and then the demon goes and roam about. After some time, you say, let me go back to my old house. And it finds the old house empty. Nothing has been done. It comes back with more demons. So the condition become worse. So never leave. Anything is normal. Asthma is not normal. Bloating is not normal, because we have actually found a way to just think these things are normal. They are not normal. So treat it, because that's the sign that there's an issue. Don't wait till it's complicated. And this is my advice for everybody, because my main aim is to make sure that we prevent disease and not just be treating disease. So thank you for listening to me. Take my advice, and I'll take your thank you when you're taking my advice. Bye for now. Bye.